Hey guys, what's good? A quick unboxing of something that literally came just now. I've already started unwrapping it, but I have not opened the inner box. It came from England, and it's a CWC, which stands for Cabot, C-A-B-O-T Watch Company, and they are suppliers to the military there. And so let's get into it. Like I said, they just came out. I have not seen the contents. It's just a simple cardboard slip, and the box is kind of padded, so let's open it up here. Okay, so Swiss made since 1972, and looks like it's a simple little instructional card. We'll open it up and let's get in here. Now this is a warranty card. It looks like a strap, and here is the watch right here. Wow, really awesome. This is the Mark 1 CWC diver, and it's got a little ribbon here. It says remove before dive. Okay, cool. And you know, this watch is kind of revered in the mill watch community. It's still an issued watch, and it's got a, let's see, yeah, right here. So a little protective plastic, and you can see it has the arrow. And this, of course, is the Quartz version without the date. Nice action on the bezel, so it moves pretty easy. And it's got fixed spring bars, or fixed lugs rather, so no spring bars. These are just solid, so it has to be worn with a NATO strap. This comes in a couple of different versions, the matte and the polished, and as you can see, I got the polished. I've seen the matte. It's kind of just, I don't know, the finish is a little dead, you know, it's a little dull, I guess, and so I really wanted this. Yeah, really nice, really classic, real honest, true mill watch. And let's set the time on it. So looking at my trusty Seiko, it looks like it's about 3:16, 3:17 on my phone. So let's unscrew the crown. So screw down crown. And then, yeah, it's got a Swiss quartz movement. So we'll go all the way over here and then double check it one more time. Yeah. And we're ticking away. So crown is easy to use, kind of small, you know, kind of a small crown, but yeah, really easy to use, really good looking watch. Not that expensive either. Now would be a good time to get it. Because the exchange rate between the US dollar and the British pound is favorable to us Americans, and so I think it goes for like 458 British pounds. With shipping and everything, I ended up paying about 520 US dollars delivered from England right here to the US of A. Let me put it on my wrist and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Okay, give me a second. All right, we're back, and so let's take a look at this CWC Mark 1 on the wrist. I put it on a NATO strap. That's easy, 20 millimeters, so a lot of strap options there. I'll take off the Seiko Tuna. God, great watch. Check out my video on this one. I think if there's one Seiko Tuna to get, this is the one. Look how thin that is. Check out that video. Anyway, let's put this on, see how it feels, how it looks. I'm really excited about it. I mean, I hear so many good things about this watch, and it's kind of understandable why. It's an honest, real military watch at a really good price. I mean, golly, under $600, well under $600, delivered from England. So yeah, and there it is on. I really like it. You know, the fixed lugs are cool. You know, so it eliminates that failure point of the watch. And you know, it's easy to wear. The size is good. Now I picked the no date version of the watch, and there's also a version with a date. Generally speaking, on quartz watches, if I have a choice, I'll go with the no date version. I just don't have to fiddle around with it so much. I don't have to reset the time, you know, once a year, and so that makes it a lot easier for me. But yeah, it comes with date, no date. There's also an automatic version. That one is significantly more expensive, but the quartz no date, you know, for $520 shipped to the United States from England directly from the company. I mean, I think that's awesome. It's a great little watch. I would really recommend it. It's really thin. It's a Swiss quartz watch, super well made. I think a big decision is matte versus polished. So matte versus polished. I see a lot of these that are matte dial, or I'm not sorry, not matte dial, but matte case finish, and they look okay. It just, like I said, the finish looks a little dull. It looks a little dead, and I just, I thought the polished would be a little bit different. I think when these originally came out, they were originally in a polished finish, and then they moved to the matte or polished. Anyway, cool look. I'm sorry, a quick look at a cool watch that just came in, the CWC Mark 1. They have a couple of other watches too on their website. They have a chronograph, that's pretty expensive. They have automatic watches, they have pilot style watches, and so, like I said, they're a supplier to the British military. Guys, take care, God bless. Sorry for the delay in content, but hope you like this quick look at a cool watch. Take care, guys, bye.